Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone with GPS and enhanced stability. This drone is designed to offer a compelling blend of performance and ease of use for FPV enthusiasts, whether they're just starting out or looking for a versatile addition to their gear. Right off the bat, one of the standout features is its enhanced stability. The drone incorporates a hollow design, which, combined with its noise reduction capabilities, really helps in achieving smooth and stable flights. This is crucial whether you're trying to get those buttery cinematic shots or just enjoying a steady flight experience. The design choices here seem aimed at minimizing vibrations and noise, contributing directly to cleaner footage and a more pleasant flying session. When it comes to performance, this drone doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a high-performance motor and propeller combination. This pairing provides dynamic power, ensuring the drone is not only stable in the air, but also capable of handling various maneuvers and conditions. You get that feeling of confidence and control during flight, which is essential for both precise cinematic movements and more energetic freestyle flying. The power delivery feels responsive and reliable. Getting this drone ready to fly is also quite straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The power cable and battery installation method are convenient, making setup quick and hassle-free. This is a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you just want to get up in the air without fumbling with connections. It speaks to a design philosophy focused on getting you flying faster. Data management is another area where this drone shines, particularly with the inclusion of the O3 Air Unit. Having memory card and USB ports directly on the Air Unit simplifies data transfer and storage significantly. No more complicated workflows just to get your footage off the drone. It's a really practical feature for creators who need to quickly access and manage their recorded video and flight data. Perhaps the most exciting aspect is its versatility. This drone is capable of both cinematic and freestyle flight. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial footage with smooth, flowing movements, or you want to push the limits with dynamic freestyle maneuvers, this drone is built to handle it. It truly offers a versatile flight experience, making it suitable for a wide range of aerial tasks and pilot preferences. It adapts well to different flying styles, which is a major plus. Included with the drone are essential components like the propeller, remote control, a memory card, the battery, and the camera, so you have what you need to get started right out of the box. The drone itself is made of plastic and comes in black, with product dimensions listed around 15 inches long, 5.6 inches wide, and 13 inches high, giving you an idea of its physical presence. Overall, the 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone with GPS and enhanced stability presents itself as a capable and user-friendly option for those looking to get into or expand their FPV flying, offering great stability, performance, and convenience wrapped up in a versatile package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.